Good morning, boys. Welcome back to class with Miss Alexis. Today, we will continue with our numeracy lesson. To begin our lesson today, boys, I will present you with 6 groups of numbers. For each group, I will ask you to point to a certain number. Are you ready, boys? Let's get started. Number 1. We have 3 numbers. I want you to show me which number is 2. Point to number 2 on the screen. If you pointed to this number, then you are correct. Give yourself a clap. This is number 2. Well done. Let's move on to number 2. We have 3 different numbers again. And this time, I want you to point to number 10. Which number, boys? 10. Very good. Point to number 10. Is this number 10, boys? No. If you pointed to this number here, then you are correct. This is number 10. Very good. Let's move on to number 3. For number 3, you will point to number 6. You will point to number 6. If you pointed to this number here, then you are correct. This is number 6. Let's move on to number 4. For number 4, you will show me which number is 1. Point to number 1. Very good, boys. This is number 1. This is number 1. Excellent. Number 5, you will point to number 8. Is this number 8? Is this number 8? Or is this number 8? If you pointed to this number here, then you are absolutely correct. Give yourselves a pat on the back. And our final group of numbers is here, right here, number 6. I want you to point to number 5. Is this number 5, boys? Is this number 5? Is this number 5? If you pointed to this number here, then you are correct. Very good, boys. Give yourselves a big clap. Before we move on, boys, we will now review every number for each set. As I point to the number, we will say it together. Let's go right ahead. 3, 4, 2. Let's move on to the next set. 10, 9, 8. Very good. The next group. 7, 6, 5. 1, 4, 2, 3, 8, 5, 4, 5, 6. Very good, boys. Now we are going to do some addition. And when we speak about addition, boys, it means that we are putting things together. Anytime we put things together, we get more. Let's go right ahead. We are going to add using the following shapes. So we have 1 plus 1. 1 plus 1 equal. What does 1 plus 1 equal to, boys? Are you ready to tell me the answer, boys? 1 plus 1 equal how many? 2. So when we put this one and this one together, we got 2. Very good. Good job, boys. Let's try another one. Here we have 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 equal. What must we do to get the answer, boys? We must count all together. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 1 equal how many? How many, boys? 3. Very good. Let's count how many we got. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Very good, boys. Let's move on to another example. This time, we will look at 3 plus, I hope you're paying attention, boys, 3 plus 2. What must we do to get the answer, boys? We must put them all together. So let's put them together now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Are you ready to tell me the answer? Are you ready to tell me the answer, boys? The answer is, what did you get when you put them all together? We got 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. You're doing a great job, boys. We will move on to another example. This time, we have 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have 4 plus 3. 1, 2, 3. 4 plus 3 equal. To get the answer, we must count all together. So let's count all together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We got 7. So 4 plus 3 equal, what's the answer? 7. Very good, boys. 4 plus 3 equal 7. Very good. You are doing very good, and thank you for paying attention, boys. Keep going. Let's try one more example. This time, we have 5. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 3. Let's count over here. 1, 2, 3. 5 plus 3 equal. What must we do to get the answer? Tell me. Very good, boys. We must count all together. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. After 7 is 8. So 5 plus 3 will give us 8. Let's read the sum together. 5 plus 3 equal 8. Excellent. So for your homework, boys, you will add these numbers together. Make sure you draw objects to show me how you get your answer. For the number 1, you will add 5 plus 2. So we have 5 plus 2 equal. Number 2, let's read it together. 3 plus 1 equal. Number 3, 7 plus 3 equal. Number 4, 4 plus 4 equal. And number 5, 9 plus 1 equal. Boys, can you tell me what must you do when you add numbers? What are we doing? Very good. We are putting them all together. We are putting them all together. So you will draw your objects and then you put all your objects together to get your answer. Don't forget to send me your videos, boys.
Remember, stay in tune. See you soon. Bye, boys.